Hello, boos. Welcome. Grab a seat, grab a drink, water, or juice if you are under 18, but let's get comfortable. So, I started by cleansing my hair with the Deva Curl Decadence line, and of course I used the no poo as well as the conditioner. Love this stuff. It's great on my not so thick 3B hair. Now take a mental picture of how my hair looked then. Now I'm going into this Deva Curl Melt into Moisture hair deep conditioning mask. I don't have too much to say about this product actually, because this was my first time using it, but I can tell you that I do plan to use it again. It's nice, it's thick, and it's highly moisturizing. Grabbing my plastic shower cap, covering my hair. Now this step isn't necessary, but I always like to do this with my masks. They actually say you can do with or without a cap, but I'm just going to cap it and leave it on for 15 minutes. And just look, when I rinsed it out, remember how my hair was like fluffy, not much definition in the middle? Look at it. So now I'm going in with the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Moisture Water. Now, also with this product, I don't have too much to say about this. I'm sort of like testing it out to see if this does provide any benefits, but I'm actually going to use this as a primer before I put on my styler slash conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and I'm wondering if this is going to help this conditioner, the super stretch styler, seep into my hair and make it moisturizing and luscious. And look, I don't know. I do have some things to say about this product, but also this was my first time using it, so I can't say too much. I mean, I'm sorry, I gotta keep it real. So this product, very moisturizing, definitely did define my curls. Also, I do believe that it did minimize the shrinkage, but I did have to use a lot of product because this is very thick and it doesn't really glide onto the hair like I'm used to. So I think that next time, I know that next time when I use this product, I'm actually going to add some oil so the hair can have more slip to it and I won't have to put on too much product, because I'm wondering if all of the product that I put on actually weighed my hair down, because I don't have fine hair anymore, but it isn't very thick. And yeah, but as you can see, she's looking good. Yeah, looking good. So I'm going in with this gorgeous, glamorous blow dryer from Dry Bar. I've been using this for about a year and I love it. And I'm using this new piece by Deva Curl, which is a diffuser. This is actually the first diffuser that I used ever, and I really like this because it's shaped like a hand and it was really easy to attach to my dryer, and it seems like it has a universal type style, like you just put it onto your dryer and then that little silicone band just holds it nice and tight. Oh, I know you're probably wondering, is this video sponsored by Deva Curl? No, it is not, but I am a part of the Deva Curl tribe. I am an ambassador, so all of the products that I am using in this video today, I did receive in PR, but no, I did not sign a contract to speak a certain way about the products or to even use them. So yeah, disclaimer over. So as you can see, just going in, diffusing my hair. So I started at the highest speed, but on medium temperature, and I sort of toggled in between medium to high temperature. At the end, I capped it with the cool temperature. Again, it took me a long time to diffuse my hair because I had to use a lot of that product. It actually took me about 20 minutes, which I thought was a long time. Again, this is my first time diffusing my hair, so I'm really not 100% sure. I do like this product a lot. Again, I don't think, it definitely did minimize shrinkage. And I do like this diffuser because it's just like a hand, and it was kind of like I was just going around with my hand and like, you know, holding my curls, scrunching them a bit. I also like this design because you can actually get under and you can diffuse your roots. You can dry your roots before you go to the ends of your hair. And I wish I would have done that more actually. I realized that toward the middle that I probably should have started by drying the roots and then going from there so I can get that volume, get that structure, and go down to diffusing the ends of my hair. I also didn't really press down too much on my hair in the front because I wanted a lot of body in the front and in the middle of my head. But once I got to the back, I just pressed the dryer, the diffuser handle, right on my hair so it can actually diffuse my hair and make it smaller. And that was something that I used to create shape to my hair. I don't have like a natural cut, so I have to sort of manipulate my curls whenever I'm wearing my natural hair to get the look that I want, and I was able to do it easier without any bobby pins using this diffuser method, so I was really happy about that. My hair is cut evenly. I did post a trimming video, a DIY trimming video. It was my first successful trim at home. If you would like to see that video, there's a card up above, or if you don't see it, you can check the description box or the comments. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this full process so you can really get a gist of, I guess, how long it took me, the patience it took me to diffuse my hair, as well as how I had to maneuver the diffuser over my hair to really get the results that I want. Alrighty, so now that the diffusing is done, I'm just gonna take my blow dryer, stretch my hair a bit in the front, just so I can get as much volume as I desire. Guys, honestly, when I usually wear my natural hair, it falls flat, so I was really impressed by this diffuser method that I was able to get so much body at the top, and I'm super excited to try this a second time and a third time to really improve my technique and really get the desired results. So as you can see, I'm just going in with a metal picking comb, and I'm just picking out my curls mainly at the root so I can get some body going on there, but I do also take that pick and pick out the ends of my hair just a bit too to make it look thicker. And now I'm just taking some Eco Styler gel and I'm just smoothing out my edges, and this is just an addition. No one's going to see my edges, but I always like to have my edges laid. It makes the soul feel good. Am I the only one? So yeah, just going around, picking my hair out and really getting that desired shape that I want. If you guys enjoyed this video, please thumbs this video up. And also, if you have any tips on how to diffuse natural hair, please leave them down below in the description box. Or if you have any videos that you think I should watch or the community should watch, please comment them so we can get that together, because we all want to achieve our hair dreams in 2020. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, love. I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing night whenever you're watching this. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy watching your girl and you want to see more content from me, or if we have similar hair types, please subscribe. And also, if you have a friend who you believe would benefit from this video or the content that I post, please share this video with them. And if you would like to see how I trim my hair at home, because it's a new year, we need our trims, check out the comment box or the description box for that. Alright babes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll chat with you babes later. Bye!